Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to trail your profit. So profit trailing is one of the key concepts which will help you to preserve whatever profit you have notionally realized. But it has its own challenges as well. Robo has 2 to 3 options to lock your profit, and in case of a reversal, it will book you based on your configuration. So before getting into how to configure it, we also need to understand our Robo supports something known as option strategy builder, where you can define your own strategies based on your bank nifty call and put, and then you can add the stop loss, target, everything, and that can be tracked separately for profit or a loss. Right? Once that definition is done, there is a way you can go on schedule for a given day. So what strategy we want to run at what time, you can define it here with your batch target or batch SL. At the same time, you can also have a leg level SL. For example, in this case, the option C will be sold at ATM price with 22% as a stop loss, premium stop loss. Once it is scheduled, Robo will trigger based on the timing, and then that particular leg, strategy legs will be tracked for a separate profit and loss. Your MTM will be shown here, and based on your target and SL, the batch will be squared off completely. And this is completely independent of what you are trading in the main watch list. Unless both main as well as batch has the same script, this will be tracked separately, and your option batch will be tracked separately. So with that background, we'll go to the settings option. This is where your profit can be locked. Your trailing configuration comes with the 4 boxes. So if you plan your day correctly, then Robo will definitely help you to book profit almost all the days. So what you need to do with this, you need to start with your day target and day stop loss. For any given day, you might be playing on option strategies, MCX, currency futures or stock futures, but you want to plan what is your target for a given day and how much loss you can incur for any given day. So that's the first step you need to be aware of. Let's say I want 5,000 as my profit, and maybe I can say 2,500 as my stop loss for a given day. So you might be having a script level stop loss, but day stop loss and day target will override any other settings. So once you have decided your day stop loss and day target, then this option will help you to lock your profit. What it does, auto move daily SL. So when you check this, you need to configure 2 values. One is that what is the trigger price. So like your bracket order where it can trail based on points, Robo will based on your trail based on your MTM. Let's say if my MTM reaches 3,000 rupees, then I want to trail at 60%, meaning whenever my MTM reaches 3,000 rupees, my day stop loss will be moved to 60% of the 3,000, that is 1,800. So what it means is, in case market reverses from that position and goes below 1,800, at 1,800, all the positions will be squared off and Robo will stop by itself because it is a day stop loss and day target. Now we have said that 60% of 3,000 is my stop loss for the given day. So once that 1,800 is hit, Robo will square off all my positions. In the other words, if it goes beyond 3,000, let's say it is hitting 4,000, then your profit also will move. Your day SL will keep on moving 60% of your MTM. In case of 4,000, your SL will move to 2,400. In case of 5,000, that will be your day target. So once that is it, all the positions will be squared off. In case there is a reversal happening at 4,900, let's say, then 60% of the 4,900 will be locked for your profit. And one more checkbox is there, include option batch. So this is mainly for your main watch list. But if you want to make sure that your options also need to be squared off, once my 5,000 target is done, I want to square off my main positions as well as my 1 or 2 batches I am playing on options. Then you can check this. What Robo will do, it will start squaring off all your MIS portions on the main watch list, and then it will square off your batch 1 and as well as batch 2. Once all the batches are squared off, Robo will stop automatically. I will also send a message to your Telegram that all the portions has been squared off and this is your day M to M. The same thing holds good for your SL. Once everything is fine, you can save it and start the Robo. Thank you.